if the plot ratio of my landed house is 1.4, does this mean that I can actually redevelop my landed house into a 5-story plus a roof terrace house? So this is actually a very common question that I have gotten from prospective landed home buyers all over the years. And another common question that I get from them about building height control is that they often think that since the neighbor that is directly across this house can be redeveloped into a 3-story plus attic, they assume that they will also be able to do so for the current house that they are viewing. Now, landed housing development are actually being regulated by BCA guidelines, as well as the master plan, where you are able to obtain information via the URA space. So they will tell you where or how high you can actually redevelop your landed house to. So landed houses are actually not guided by plot ratio. Therefore, even if your plot ratio is 1.4, sitting within a mixed private residential zone, the maximum allowable building height is actually at 15.5 meters based on the existing envelope control concept. So for landed houses falling within the landed housing area, they are being guided by the height control. So if you actually look at the redeveloped house, which is located at 50 Figaro Street within District 15 Opera Estate, so this is one of the listing which was sold by lender 7772 a while back. So this house itself is actually a 3-story plus attic house, and it actually falls under 3-story mixed landed house zone. And the house that is directly opposite, which is number 27 Figaro Street, is actually sitting within a 2-story mixed landed housing zone. So you may wonder, how do you actually find out about the height control? Well, you can actually find out all this information within the URA space landed housing area control plan. So before you actually jump into the conclusion on the redevelopment potential of the landed house, it is actually very much advisable to verify these details via the URA space, or you can actually call any of our consultants with lender 7772 to find out more. So do like this video and subscribe to us if you find this video helpful, and watch out for our next video. Once again, this is Gerald from lender 7772, your compass for landed properties, signing off.